So you want to make a passive income from YouTube, right? Well, let me give you the truth about small channels and why so many small YouTubers are not making any money. Over my time of creating different YouTube videos, creating over 30 different YouTube channels, selling some, keeping a bunch, but one of the things that I've noticed and one of the things I've learned is that most small-time YouTubers are trying to make money from one main source, and that is through the YouTube ad network. Now, here's the problem when you are looking at trying to make money from YouTube ads. First, it is a somewhat difficult task to finally get there because you need over 4,000 hours of watch time and you need over 1,000 YouTube subscribers. So that right there is a fairly tall task. It's a lot to ask for a new YouTuber to try to make money through YouTube ads. However, that's what I've been seeing most smaller channels going after. And so here's the truth about passive income when it comes to creating content on YouTube. If your passive income is solely reliant on YouTube ads, chances are you are going to quit, you're going to fail, and you will never succeed on YouTube. But there is a way to make a passive income, and today I want to give you the truth behind it, how it works, and how you can do it. So if you have a small YouTube channel, you're still growing, you're still new, and you want to make more money passively on YouTube, you need to watch the rest of this video. But before I get into the rest of the content, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe if you want to see more videos on this exact same topic. So you're a small-time YouTuber, but how do you make money passively on YouTube if you're creating content and hoping that the video takes off and you start making money from YouTube ads? Well, there's a trick. You don't worry about YouTube ads. Who cares about YouTube ads? Honestly, I make money from YouTube ads on a lot of my channels, not every single one, but on a bunch of them, okay? And I could care less about the YouTube ad revenue, simply because that's the smallest portion of income that I receive from all my channels. Now, what's the largest portion of income? That's actually coming from affiliate marketing, which is pretty much what we're gonna talk about in today's video. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing, what affiliate marketing essentially is, it is where you're pretty much just the influencer. You are connecting a buyer to a seller, and you are pretty much the middleman. You're right here, okay? And so you create a YouTube video and you attract buyers. You take those buyers and you send them over to an affiliate. For example, let's say you send them over to Amazon.com and that buyer decides to buy a specific product. And Amazon will pay you a small commission for actually putting the buyer and seller together. That's your fee. Now, a lot of people know what affiliate marketing is, but they don't know how to do it correctly on YouTube in order to receive a passive income every single month. So that's one of the things I want to address right now. There's actually a trick to creating good content that people will want to come and see, but also will entice them to buy the products you're recommending. But what is the trick to actually doing this? The key to making this actually work and to make a passive income through YouTube is you have to create, you have to create buyer-friendly videos, and you have to publish these consistently. Here's what I mean. A lot of people look on YouTube and see big-time YouTubers saying like, travel vlog, something vlog, how I did this, my day at the beach, my day at the zoo. Those are not buyer-friendly keywords, and those are not buyer-friendly videos that are gonna entice somebody to buy a specific product. So here's what you do. You need to use words like best coffee maker, most affordable coffee maker, alternative coffee maker, or alternative to the Keurig 2.0. Okay? You need to use buyer-friendly keywords or key phrases. Best, alternative are both good options. Cheapest, best of 2020, best of 2019, those are all buyer-friendly keywords. And I recommend you use those because when somebody clicks on your video to watch the best coffee maker of 2020, they are going to see either one or multiple coffee makers that are, in your opinion, the best of 2020. So inside the video, you're going to do your best job to really sell this coffee maker, why you think it's the best one out there. And because of that video, because of your sales pitch, because of you talking about this specific coffee maker, the person watching, the viewers, are either going to, okay, I like that. I like that coffee maker. It looks good. It has good reviews. I can get it on Amazon. Perfect. I'm going to click on that link down in the description box and I'm going to buy that exact coffee maker that this person's recommending. And boom, there you have it. You just made a passive income because you put that video up one time, did the work one time, and it could continue to sell this coffee maker for weeks, months, maybe years down the line, and you'll continue to get a small commission from it. And here's the other cool part about doing affiliate marketing is one of the most and the easiest way to sell something is to create urgency. To say, okay, buy this now because the price is gonna go up any day. Buy this now before it sells out. Buy this now because it is Starbucks prices versus at-home prices. You spend $6 on a Starbucks coffee versus you buy this coffee maker for $34.99 and in 5-6 times going to Starbucks, you already paid off the coffee maker. So it's actually saving you, making you money by buying this. That is creating some type of sense of urgency because they will save money. They're going to make money from it. They're going to have more money to do whatever they want to do. You can also create urgency by speaking to their emotions, their physical well-being. For example, with the coffee maker, you're probably feeling tired and cranky because you have to drive to Starbucks. You have to wait in line. You spend 20 minutes in Starbucks getting your coffee when you could have made it in 2 minutes at home. Why not buy a coffee maker, use the right creamer, use the right cup and make the exact same cup of joe that you could get at Starbucks, but you do it at your house. Okay, you create that sense of urgency, which again is going to help you make sales. But again, this has to do with affiliate marketing. I'm not talking about YouTube ads. That will come later and that will be the cherry on top. But for right now, just focus on affiliate marketing, promoting different products, different services, different apps and different things like that, because that's going to make you more money. And that's also going to make you a passive income through YouTube, as opposed to creating videos day after day after day and hoping that one of them catches on and just spikes and you make a bunch of money from the YouTube ad revenue. That's more of an active income. I like to create passive income. The reason why most of my videos have a main keyword, for example, how to make passive income, how to get viewers on YouTube, how to get more subscribers on YouTube, how to get followers on Instagram. Things like that are because I'm going after the key term or key phrase that people are searching for, which means whenever somebody searches for it, hopefully my video pops up and I continue to get 5, 10, 50, 100 views every single day by just going after these key phrases. And the cool part about that is I will still make a passive income clear into the future because I set up my video correctly. And one other thing that you really need to know and you really need to do is you have to create videos consistently. So I'm talking, it doesn't have to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It could be a Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It could be a Monday, Thursday, a Saturday, Tuesday type thing. You just need to set it up and make it a consistent upload date. And you do this simply because you'll consistently get more views. They will start to grow. People will come back and watch your videos. And the best part about everything is the more videos that you have, the higher the likelihood and chances of a video actually being seen by more people, which means you potentially could make more sales as an affiliate. So you want some more truth about small channels on YouTube? The truth is, the majority of YouTube channels out there don't make any money at all. It's simply for entertainment purposes. They put up a video of them shooting trick shots in the backyard. Cool, but what are they promoting? Are they trying to make money from YouTube ads? All right, cool, but you're not there yet. So in the meantime, until you get to over 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 YouTube subscribers, what I recommend is that you go out there and promote different products. Shoot videos on different products. It could be, maybe you're doing those trick shots out in the backyard. Promote the basketball you're using. Promote the different, basketball hoop that you recommend, or maybe you're shooting over garbage cans and you're using broomsticks. Promote the different broom and the garbage can that you are talking about and using in your videos. Promote those inside your videos. Also, if you go on a trip, and let's say you title it, my Cancun vlog, make sure you put an affiliate link to the maybe Expedia or hotels.com, because they will all pay you a small fee just for getting somebody to go and book their flight, book their hotel through them and through your link. So why not make a little bit of money now doing what you love, creating the content that you absolutely enjoy, instead of waiting until you get over 4,000 hours and over 1,000 subscribers? It just makes absolutely no sense when it comes to making passive income through YouTube. Now let me give you a couple tips when it comes to making a passive income through YouTube. Number one, not every single video that you promote, that you publish, is going to just take off and it's going to be a viral hit. It's not the way YouTube works. Chances are 1 to 2 out of every 20 videos is going to take off. Okay, that's about 10%. Okay, 5 to 10% of your videos are going to take off and get more views than others. Now, I'm not saying all your videos are going to get 100 viewers or 100 views and then one is going to get like 100,000. I'm not saying it's going to take off like that, but what's going to happen is most of your videos are going to get, let's say a new channel, you get 50 views per video. That's still good. That's still a good quality video. And if you can take those viewers and push them into your affiliate links to buy those products, video after video after video, what's going to happen, the little snowball effect is going to take effect, and your small income is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger with the more videos that you create. So don't just go and create a few different videos and think, oh, it's not working. I'd recommend you create 30 to 50 videos on the exact same or similar topic. So maybe it's on coffee, or maybe it's on household goods or traveling or fitness. Create your videos on a very specific sub niche, and then after 30 to 50 videos, reevaluate, see how those videos are doing, if you've been getting sales, and if you have been, just double down, create more videos, create better content, invest into your business, buy a better camera, better lens, better microphone, better lighting, something, and just invest in your future, because I guarantee you, the people that are having the most success are thinking outside the box, but also spending more time on YouTube and dedicating their time to this platform. So the last thing I want to say is that if you need help, you don't know how to create the best content, you don't know how to find the best affiliates to go and promote their products, I do have a course. It's called Affiliate Marketing on YouTube. I'll put a link down in the description box below so you can get it, and I'll also include a discount code so that if you need that as well, and you don't want to spend all your money, you want to save a little bit of money, you can buy it using that discount code, and you don't got to pay full price. Anyway, if you have any questions on how to make money, how to make a passive income through YouTube, or you just need some tips or some advice on your channel specifically, let me know down in the comment section below what you need help with, how I can help you, how I can benefit you and your channel. I'm always here to help you any way that I can. So again, if you need help, comment down below, let me know what I can do for you. But as always, if you enjoyed today's video and you learned something, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.